Hi, my name is Cale, and I focus on our H350 and selective absorption fusion, or SAF technology here at AdvancedTek. I wanted to show you a part that we recently built. It's a parking sensor housing. This part is used in production and mounted within a bumper of an exterior of a vehicle. So as we zoom in, you can see some of the flexible nature of this part and some of the intricacies that allow it to be pushed in to the bumper and snapped into place. We were able to also dye this part black with our partners Dimension. So if you're looking for multiple colors or if it's a consumer-facing product, we're able to dye this part as well. This particular piece, we were able to print 270 pieces in about 8 hours and 30 minutes. From a cost per part standpoint, we're right around $1.65 per part. In comparison to injection molding, this piece injection molded would cost around $7.42. So that puts you at a 78% cost savings, SAF technology versus injection molding. Another key component of this is there's zero tooling involved. So for the product management or design teams, you can build multiple iterations of this in a very quick amount of time as you bridge up or move into production level volumes. The H350 and SAF technology, it's fast, it builds quality, consistent, and repeatable parts at a very low cost, and they're durable. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. We would love to build some virtual benchmarks for you to understand cost per part, as well as print some physical benchmarks for you as well, so your teams can get a feel for what SAF technology can do for you. This is a production level throughput machine. It's built for high volumes, and it's built to build quality, consistent parts. Thank you so much.